Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I will show you how you will count a particular value from an array. Let's start the program. Write a program to read marks of n students. It means this is a dynamic array. The value of n will be changed, and print the number of students passed and failed. Passing marks are 40. For this purpose, you will declare a dynamic array like this: int pointer variable equal to null. This is a null value. After this, you will instantiate this array by using a equal to new int and number of n, where n is shows the number of element in that array. Suppose value of n equal to 10. Int marks of 10, marks equal to 0. Value of this index is 70. Next value is 80, 25, 40, 55, 35, 20, 60, 54 and 32. After this, I will check the condition. Mark of index. Mark is an array name. Index is the first value of this array, that is 0, 1, so on till 9, greater than equal to 40. If the given condition will be true, then it will increment in the pass count. Pass count is a variable that is used for the counter. In this way, fail count equal to fail count plus 1. I will use this statement. The purpose of fail count is used to control the fail count equal to fail count plus 1. It will use to counter the number of failure of the students in array. Suppose 70 greater than equal to 40, it will test the condition. If the test will true, if this condition is true, then pass count will increment into 1. Next, I will check 80. Value is 80. 80 is greater than equal to 40. This condition is also true. Then it will also increase value in pass count. Now pass count value is true. Now we will test the value of 25. 25 is greater than equal to 40. No, this condition is false. Then it will increment in fail count, and fail count value will become 1. After this, it will test 40. 40 greater than equal to 40. 40 is not greater than, but equal is there. Now it will increase value in pass count, and pass count value will become 3. Next, it will test 55 is greater than equal to 40. Yes, it is true. When it is true, it will increment in pass count by 1, and pass count value will become 4. Next, it will check 35 is greater than equal to 40. This condition is false. In case of false, it will increase the value of fail count by 1, and fail count value will become 2. Next, it will check 20 is greater than equal to 40. That is false, and it will increment by 1 in fail count, and fail count value will become 3. Next, 60 is greater than equal to 40. Yes, it is true. It will increment in pass count, and pass count value will become 5. Next, it will check 54 is greater than equal to 40. Yes, it is true. And it will increment by 1 in pass count, and pass count value will become 6. Next is 32. 32 is greater than equal to 40. 32 is greater than equal to 40. No, it's false, and it will count, and it will increment in fail count variable, and fail count value will become 4. So in this way, number of students passed equal to 6, and number of students failed equal to 4. Okay, now I will write a program. Int asterisk marks equal to null, and then integer n. Then I will declare marks equal to new is operator for the memory allocation. int data type. This is the n. Okay, and what is the n? N is the number of elements that you want to store into that array. N equal to cout. It will ask me enter the number of elements. Suppose I am storing these value into variable n, and after this I am declaring that number of elements by using n. Here I will write a loop for cout, enter the marks of n students. Okay, after this I will write a loop for int x equal to 0, x less than equal to n less than n, and x plus plus. It will store the value into variable marks. Array name is marks of x. Okay, once you will store the value, all the values, then after this I want to check it. Okay, for that purpose I need to declare variable pass count and fail count. By default pass count equal to 0 and fail count also equal to 0. Here I will write another loop for the testing. Int x equal to 0, x less than n, x plus plus, and here I will write parenthesis. I will check if marks of x is greater than equal to 40. If it is true, then what you will do? See, then you will count pass count equal to pass count plus 1. Okay, else fail count equal to fail count plus 1. Okay, last, when this loop will be finished, then you will display this value on the output screen. What is the value in the pass count and what is the value into the fail count? Number of students passed equal to which variable? Pass count, end line. I will copy the same, Control C and then Control V. Number of students failed in fail count variable. Okay, now I want to run this program. What will be the output? Execute, compile and run it. Okay, a function expected braces. I missed this, the main bracket. Execute, compile and run it. Enter the number of elements. Suppose I want to get 8 elements. Okay, enter the marks of 8 students. Okay, 34, 65, 32, 98, 56, 14, 87, 65, 75. Okay, number of student passed equal to 5 because 34 fail, 65 pass, 98 pass. This is second, this is third, 56 is the third, and 87 is the fourth, and 75 is the fifth. Number of students passed 5, number of students failed equal to 3. This is the program. This is a program. Thanks dear students, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.